Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yes, people, we're back at the spot again, you know. Yeah. But I missed the barra yesterday. Right at the same spot I missed the barra yesterday. So I'm going to see if I can redeem myself. See if I can redeem myself, alright? Yeah, so stay tuned. We put our key in a tree. Alright now peeps, so we're back at it again. The other spot here again, so get suit up, jump into the water, see what we can find this morning. Hopefully we find one of them big barracuda there. I have something I want to do with the barra. I have a nice recipe when I want to drop on the barracuda, so I'm going to hunt one of them this morning. Yeah, I'm going to redeem myself for the one I missed yesterday. Yeah, so stay tuned for some action.
It's another beautiful day out here doing what we love. It is always an exciting feeling being in the water hunting, wondering what am I going to see next. Now, as you can see, it was an overcast morning. We had some squall passing by, but nevertheless, we're still on the hunt. Now it starts to rain, so I took a dive and video the rain beating on the top of the water. It was so lovely, calm and relaxing. As usual, this is me taking a random dive, just waiting on top of the rock to see if anything would come over. Right here I saw a lot of blue tongues. We call them doctor fish in Jamaica. These fish are popularly known for the stigma that we have on them, that they are good for men. And from early out, it seems like another slow day in the water. Here I saw a Spanish mackerel, but it was way out of range. And this is a sea cat. My diving partner found it and actually took it over to me. dead. We're still hunting. Still want to find something to take home. The hunt was unsuccessful out in the deep, so we decided on going in. Now, as I was making my way to shore, I took a look under this rock. I saw a nice puffer fish, so I decided on taking this one. After shooting the puffer, you know the actual move that it makes. Swells up underneath the rock, and it was giving a lot of trouble to get it out. But we're not giving up, because I promised you guys a puffer fish catch and cook. In Jamaica we say a sour sap fish catch and cook. I promise you that, so we're not gonna stop until we get it out. So we were there trying a lot of different techniques to get it out. Still wouldn't come out. I lose the other spear. Try and puncture the ear bag that is inside the puffer. Still wasn't working. I try using my gun to prise it down from the rock. Try using the gun to pull it out. All of those tactics. We try using a knife to puncture the ear bag, and it still wasn't working, but we still wouldn't give up.
People, this is an adventure. We are trying to get the puffer fish out of the hole. We're waiting at the hole right now, but we promise to have catch and cook. So we are going to get it. We have to get it.
Right here we can see it was coming out a little. And finally we got it out. Yeah man, so you're gonna see this one in my pot one of these. So I got the puffer on my stringer and then continue the journey to land. On our way to land, we found a couple conch, so Balti decided on beating them out. So this is the technique we use to get a conch out the shell while in the water. So first, you got to know exactly where to make the hole. Then you use the back of one of the shell to beat it at that soft spot to make the hole. After you make the hole, you use your knife, your scissors, or your spear point to cut the conch off. And then you're gonna pull it out from the front. And that's how we do it. Here we have a nice conch. And we follow the same procedure for the next one. So right here is a stingray, a small northern stingray. It's looking angry, so I'm gonna leave it alone. This is an old boat wreck. I normally would find a nice fish right here, but none today. So we are almost out of the water, and Balti saw a nice stinging grouper. That's what we call them. Others may know them as scorpion fish. For me, the best way to cook these is in coconut milk. Yeah, man. So this is the end of the water scene. Catch you on land.
Yeah, peeps, so we out of the water now. That's how we catch feed there. One steaming grouper, one puffer fish. Remember they promised that the puffer fish catch and cook. A nice sea cat. And we have two conch. Three of them we have. One next one in one shell. We'll soon take out that one there. Yeah, man, so this is a catch idea, people. You don't know. Balti catch a sea cat, and a nice sea cat here. And this as well, as you see on the video. Yeah. Them are same way. Yeah, man, so Balti go and roll it for hunting today. You don't know, big up to Balti. Yeah, so we don't really have not much to clean up, you know, one thing. Just I got to scale off this and just head on home, alright? Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so see Balti there, you know. Yeah, man. We there, man. So we're going to move out, you know, you don't know. Water is kind of dead and thing, but we have to give thanks here when we find something. Can't complain, alright? Alright now, people, so my home and thing. It's late in the evening right now. Now the dive what me do and thing is can see me catch a octopus, me and Balti. Can see me catch a puffer fish, a stinging grouper, and a couple conchs. So here how this I go now. I go do the octopus right now. Then I go show now if I cook up the puffer fish, what we call soursop fish, and the next day I want to do the one up on the beach and do everything from scratch. Yeah. The conch now, I have some busso when I get from Portland, so I'm gonna make a soup with the busso and the conch. Alright, so stay tuned for all of that. I'm in the kitchen right now, because night I come down, so I'm not do it outside, because I can get some light in. I'm in the kitchen right now. I go get the ball a roll. I have the pot on the fire for the octopus and thing. So let's go to the kitchen. Alright now, people, so see the octopus in the pan here, so it's in the freezer and thing. Yeah, so kind of toughish a little bit, not too bad. So I'm gonna try see if I can wash it off and I'll get some of the slime off of it, so I can get it put it in the pot and thing. Alright, so to wash off the octopus, get rid of the slime and thing, everybody have them own remedy where them use. So my remedy, flour. This get rid of the slime. Wash it off with flour. Just get a little, like a handful of flour, and just rub it all over this. Get rid of the slime off of it. If you never try it before, just try it. I tell you, it does work. And it don't take long to get rid of the slime either. Work 100%. Yeah. And so you just get little flour and just wash off your octopus. Yeah, man. All slime gone. No more slimes. See all I slime in the water. Yeah, man. Yeah, so after you wash it off, wash off the slime and thing, people, you clean it up because you don't want it cooked. So this is how it looks. These are eyes and this is head. So inside the head now you have all the thing where you need to take out. So behind the back of the head you have like a cap. See it here? So we say we flip the cap. So hold it like this, push it forward, and look, you want to get rid of all of this. Yeah? These are the guts and thing, the intestine. Yeah, man, so you want to get rid of all of that off of it. You don't want to boil out and the meat get little of that, the flavor there and thing. You just, you know, get out these guts and thing out of it for now. And the mouth and them that's in there, just get them out of it right away. See? All that need to come out. See that? Yeah, man. And if this never did in a freezer, then I would have just tear off easy. But you did in a fridge and thing, and it not fully thaw. But true, I don't want the night come down for me too fast. I want to do more sight before the place get real dark, right? Yeah, so you get out that. I normally take out the eyes. So I just get a slit anywhere up above this, so get a slit, take out the eyes. These are the reason why I take out the eyes, because ink in there as well. See that? Look on my finger, black from the eyes. Yeah, I don't want no ink boil out in my pot either, so I take out the eyes. Them see there, the ink that from the eye on the knife. Yeah, get the other one as well. So as I did before, slit anywhere above or below the eye and just pull out the eye. Pull out the eyeball, rinse it out. Right? Last section of the cleanup underneath here, so in mouth there. In mouth there underneath here, so you want to take out that as well. Some ice over it so you not see it, you know. That black thing right there, that I mouth. So just give it a slit anywhere to the side of the mouth, prise it open, and just flick out that. Okay. As I said before, this one just came out of the freezer. Had it thawing out for a little bit, but can't wait no longer, so I just hurry the process, right? Yeah. So this is a mouth. Yeah. And that can bite you real good. So you take out the mouth, take out the eyes, and you take out the intestine. Alright, there, in a pot. Alright, now people, so see the pot a bubble up already and thing. So drop him in there, you know. Yeah man, just drop him in there. So I'm gonna fold up. Eat the on him. Yeah. Make that go and boil for a little bit. Then I go take it out and cut it up, alright? Yeah man. Alright now people, so see some of the things that I go cut up to go on it right now. Yeah, I have tomato, onion, Irish, carrot, pepper, scallion and thyme, sweet pepper. Alright, so I get them clean up and cut up right now for go on it. Alright now peeps, so clean up the thing them. I have the onion left to clean up here now. I go cut them up and then get back to you guys, alright? Yeah man. Alright now people, so see what I go on at the thing them cut up. Yeah man, thing them cut up. So I go cut up the octopus right now. And then me get the part of the shoulder rolling. Yeah man. Alright now people, so see it here, you know. What I do now, I put it in some cool water because it's hot. It did hot a while ago, so through me I go hold it to cut it up. I don't want it so hot, alright? So I cut it up here now. Yeah, see it? Bust it in a half. Wow, look at that. Nice, see? Cutting up in some nice bite size. Smell good. Smell good, Telani. You ever eat this yet?
No.
You ever eat none of it? Yeah, tell the people if you like it. Nice man. It is nice. And a big one this day, man. Funny amount of meat. So I do it, I cut between each tentacle. Get them off one with the piece of the middle part. So it just look like a one long tentacle. And then we just cut it like that. In small pieces. Alright. Part they still hot, you know, Kelani. Bone me.
Boy, fiat. And I know pizza again.
No, remember so me just boil it a while ago. You never see when me a boil it, the outside I play. You ever eat octopus?
No.
You want none?
No.
Alright, now people see it there now. Yeah man. Well cut up and thing. Yeah. See it there people. Looking good. Alright now people, so see me set on my rice, yeah. Yeah, so you know, so some rice we deal with that. So when that finish, show no what go on, alright? Yeah man, and I butter that pan top, you know. Well packed with butter, so you know this is go nice. Alright now people, so my pot here with some oil in it. And then better pack curry. So get the curry, me I burn some curry here now. Shake out some curry in my oil. That go nice, you know, Javi. Yeah. Yeah, I go tell the people about it taste, you know. You ready for that? Alright. Alright now people. The dog I make whole heap of nice. I go put some butter. Add in some butter. Give it a different flavor, you know. Yeah. Pot well hot and curry well bun, you know. Coconut milk next people. Coconut milk time. Bag of steam I go fly up now. See that, Javi? Coconut milk. Alright now people, so I go allow that to go and boil up a little bit. Then I go put in the Irish them and the carrot them, because you know them they are going to take a little time for cook up and things. So after I put in them there, then I go add in the octopus. And then you don't know me, I go season up the pot and everything. You go see the whole process, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned guys. Yeah peeps, so it'll boil up now. I go drop in the vegetable them and them thing there right now, alright? Yeah. Yeah, so you can see steam, you know. People. A lot of steam coming out the pot. Yeah people, so see it there. See it there now, I say it look, you know. Then on, put them in my pot now. And I go on. Then I go and get like on 5 minutes. It's so long. 3 to 5 minutes. Then I go add in the octopus, alright? Yeah peeps, so I check on the rice. Lot of steam. Rice looking good. Yeah man. Alright now people, so I tear the pack already, so but you must know what is. Rice noodle in the pot. This is about turn up the flavor now. Let me tell you. This is going to turn the flavor way up. Yeah man, look at the thickness already. Yeah peeps, look at that. Right now, sea cat ready to go in. No joke. Sea cat tonight. All the same place on the telephone, yeah. Get it in there. Watch what go on now people. Sea cat, you know. In the pot, you know. Everything around the night, you know. Look at that. Look at that. So go nice. Well nice. Curry sea cat. Curry octopus. Yes, Javi. Ready for it?
Yeah.
Alright now peeps, so see me drop my piece of thyme in there. Yeah man. Flavor well, flavor up on it. Yeah man. Well nice. Yo, look at this. Look at that. Sea cat fiesta. So just look juicy and tender. 5 minutes and I'm ready. Yeah peeps, so I lock off the fire now and see what I go on here. Rice ready, this ready, so I'm go share out here now, alright? Yeah man. Alright now people, see my rice there. See me sea cat there. I don't know. Nothing normal, listen up people. Yeah man. Problem. Alright now people, so see me share out some food for the youths them. Kelani, Jevani, and Russian. Alright? Yeah man.
I shock.
Alright now people. How that? Kelani and Jevani. Javi there. Food too nice, man, dash away. Nothing now waste, Javi, do. Now waste. How the food taste?
Good.
You love it? Are your first time I eat this sea cat? I love it. Kev, how does the food taste?
Good.
First time eating that? What do you think about it?
It's good. But me not left nothing in my plate.
You not left nothing in the plate. Everything I done. Man, yo. You see Javi at it, you know, man. Yes, youths.
What am I okay with them gum? Come on, feel me?
Take it. Take a piece and where you want. You like it? You nice?
Yeah.
Keep it on the floor. That good? That good? Kelani eating out my food. Eat off, Jav. Nice, you Kelani. It curry mild and nice. And the meat is too tough, no?
Yeah. You done?
I finish? Almost, yeah. Nice still. Nice too. The Irish. The coconut milk. It's a different flavor.
Yeah. Everything almost going there.
Everything? Yes, Shella. Go shell this for you. We say yard style fishing bad. Yeah, man.
Alright now people, so you done, she said the family I enjoy the food. You don't know Russian and I don't know cameraman already. So them there around and film like a corner. So me test what I go on now. You clear the rice with the gravy. Nice. Alright. Piece of this octopus with the rice. Yeah. Well, brother, that's why you did that one so jabby. Nice too. Everything nice, people. Me not tell no lie. Right now, I want just hold on the corner. I want damage. Too more damages. I can't go do it on the camera. I'm not going to say me too terrible. So, always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Yard Style Fishing. Hit the notification bell so as soon as we post a video, you can be notified. Alright? Yeah, man. So, remember to stay tuned for the cook up with the soursop fish, the puffer fish. You understand? Yeah, man. Stay tuned for the cook up there. And also the conch and the busu. Conch and busu soup. That one they are epic too. So, wanna stay tuned for them one day. Right now, look on this. Well, nice.